world of e-commerce is getting more and more competitive every day. It's definitely not as easy to start and grow an e-commerce brand as it was 3 or 5 years ago. You're getting less and less access to data, which makes your targeting and advertising harder. Also, a lot more players are getting into the market, so you have a lot more competition. The money is in the list. It's always been the saying, but more and more people are aware of this now. However, privacy changes are also touching email marketing, and it's not immune from all of the competition because subscribers and shoppers' inboxes are blowing up right now. So in this course, we're going to cover some of the foundations of both email and SMS marketing that you need to be successful in this channel. This course will teach you how to maximize your revenue from both email and SMS marketing. We're going to start with covering the anatomy of email and SMS marketing and cover some of the main KPIs. What are the performance metrics that you should be watching to make sure that you're doing a great job in these channels? Then we'll talk about revenue attribution, because that's a very important topic that not a lot of beginners know about, and yet revenue is one of the main KPIs that we'll talk about, so that's a very important point. Next, of course, we're going to cover how to grow your list, because in email and SMS marketing, a lot of your success depends on how big and how high quality your list is. Then we're going to talk about collecting zero and first-party data. This is a new topic that came to the forefront with all of the developments in the privacy world. So it's more important than ever to be collecting zero and first-party data beyond just the email address and the phone number. So you're going to learn all about that. And then, of course, we're going to cover the two big whales in email and SMS marketing, and that is your automations and your campaigns, and how to do both to make sure that your subscribers are engaged and happy and not annoyed with your content, and that you are maximizing your revenue from these channels.